Why are you stuck in the middle? Why do some people seem to attract wealth effortlessly, while everyone else is just working to pay bills? Most people think it takes a miracle to change their life, but the truth is, financial freedom is a formula, and most people are solving for the wrong variables. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how to outperform 99% of people and start your journey toward becoming a millionaire in just a few months. The secret to financial success. I have spent the last few years researching the real difference between financially successful people and those who are constantly struggling just to survive. I wanted to know exactly how the rich build passive income and keep their net worth growing, while others stay stuck. From banking to wealth coaching. My journey wasn't just through books. I spent years working in business and banking, seeing firsthand how money moves. Now, I travel and train people all over the world on how to manage money better and build long-term wealth. Small steps versus big changes. Here is the biggest lesson I've learned. Financial growth isn't about making massive, scary changes or flipping your life upside down overnight. You don't need a get-rich-quick scheme to see a massive return on investment in your own life. The power of money habits. True financial independence is built on small, simple money habits that you stick to every single day. These are easy-to-follow routines that help with saving money and investing for beginners. How wealth changes your life. These small habits compound over time. They don't just fix your bank account. They improve your physical health, your mental clarity, and your happiness. When you master wealth management, you reduce your stress and finally take control of your future.